Good morning. Good morning. Just chilling in my chair with my breakfast, listening to the birds sing and eat right over there. I don't know if you can see them, but there's some right over there. Just chilling at a state park. Where even am I? I'm outside of Glen Rose, where I just went to see the Dinosaur Valley, dinosaur footprints. It was insane. It was so amazing. But yeah, I pulled in here after dark, and so I knew that the lake was here. Couldn't see anything, but just look at all of this. Couldn't ask for a more beautiful way to wake up in the morning. So all of that was my sunrise right about there. And this is gonna be my day, I think. And tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I'll be at my brother's, and I just am so happy that I get to have this adventure. So thanks for coming along with me. And really can't beat this view, can you? There's something about slowing down after a place like Dinosaur Valley. I ended up staying near a lake just outside of Glen Rose, not really because I planned on it, but because I wasn't ready to move on that far yet. Sometimes you find a place that makes you want to sit still for a minute, and for me, this is one of those mornings. I hope you enjoyed all the animals and everything like I did. You just need to slow down sometimes. But eventually, the road starts calling again. Welcome to Memphis, Texas City Park. This is beautiful. These campsites? No real destination in mind, just driving, which is usually when I find the best things anyway. I ended up driving through what's known as the Petrified Forest, and it's one of those places that doesn't hit you all at once. It kind of unfolds as you go. The kind of drive where you keep saying, "This is so beautiful," over and over again, like it's the first time you've ever seen a tree. Apparently, this is my best vocabulary when I'm impressed. These valleys, these videos, they don't do them justice. The colors were so vibrant. I wish I could get it through in video. Entire forest down there. Petrified. I don't want me to zoom in. Petrified wood. All back there. The Jasper Forest. All protected. All beautiful. And here I am, keeping warm because it's 38 degrees. 38 degrees. And then finally, I made it to a friend's place, and it felt like stepping into a completely different world. There are metal animal sculptures scattered everywhere, lights glowing through the space. It's creative, a little chaotic, kind of magical, kind of a place that doesn't feel like it should exist, but somehow does. Welcome to Lake Mead, just above the Hoover Dam. It's a beautiful day. And I'm about to go camp down there. It's in BLM land. And somehow this ended up being the last stop of that first chapter of my journey last year. Not something I planned, just where the road took me, and honestly, I don't think I could have picked a better ending if I tried. Unexpected stops, unscripted adventures, a meerkat on the moon.